Welcome, today I'm with my iPhone 14 Pro and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should just press the power key button on the right side of our phone and the up volume button on the left side of the smartphone. So just let's press them together for a while, and after that we can see here the power off menu, so we can just turn off our device by slide this power off dot to the right side. Now just let's click here to OK. Wait a second. And now we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.